guys, and welcome. This is Software Science. So I've been thinking, why not start things off with a fully working application. So I've been looking for this app, that can have core libraries and technologies that most Android apps are built upon. So this is the best idea I could come up with. Material Notes app. It will help us and work with the core technologies and libraries that are available in Android. So being a basic notes app, you can just add new notes, delete notes, update notes, and all those basic crude operations. And this is how it should look like. Trust me, I've been working hard on the user interface part of it. And here we have the technologies that we'll be building our app upon. So let's get started. Here I am in Android Studio. So when you're creating your project, make sure you go for the basic activity template. So let me walk you guys through the build Gradle module. I added some few dependencies for our project. I added room, coroutines, JSON, and glide. Glide is an image caching library and will basically help us display images in our app. And JSON will help us with type conversions. Room does not store custom data objects. It just stores primitive types. So we'll use JSON to convert our custom data objects into primitive types, then store them into room. And coroutines will help us with the background operations. And room will just handle the storage for us. So make sure you also enable data binding under build features. So scrolling upwards into plugins, add Kotlin Capt and SafeArgs plugin. So this is really necessary for safe navigation. In the project build.gradle file, you can add the build scripts file, the repository, and the SafeArgs dependencies. In newer versions of Android, the build script is missing, so you'll actually have to add this manually. And please make sure you place it before the plugins, not after. Before the plugins, because if you place it after, then Gradle may fail to build your project. Expanding the Java package, we have 2 fragments and 1 activity. So we're going to create new packages. One, we'll start with the notes package. Then we're going to create one for archive. Archive like that, and then we're going to have one details and another one we're going to have settings, and finally about. Okay, fine. So these are the navigation destinations. So the first fragment will add it to the notes package, and the second one will add it to the archive. Then we're going to create one more package here, home, and I'll take this main activity and put it inside. Okay, one important thing that you should also have in your resources folder, you should have this navigation folder, and it has this navigation graph. So basically this will help us with navigation. And if you don't have the navigation graph, please just add one. Just create a new folder under res and name it navigation. Then you can create a new navigation resource. Then you can always add new destinations by clicking this icon and then selecting a sample activity or fragment from the above.